Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the 13x20ft portable prefabricated tiny home. This mobile expandable plastic prefab house is perfect for a variety of uses such as a hotel, booth, office, guardhouse, shop, villa, warehouse, or workshop. It even comes with a restroom. The size of this prefab tiny home offers more space than typical shipping containers, making it ideal for 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 bathroom, and 1 kitchen. The steel frame and flame-retardant foam wallboard construction make this container home waterproof, thermally insulated, earthquake-resistant, grade 8, and wind-resistant, grade 10. What's great is that this specially designed permanent prefab tiny home can be folded for easy transport and simple assembly and disassembly, make it suitable for frequent relocation. With a multi-window design, you'll be sure to enjoy abundant natural light inside, offering a bright and inviting interior. This versatile prefab home is suitable for various high, middle, and low-grade buildings, from commercial housing and schools to campsites and temporary hospitals. However, please note that installation and assembly are required, as well as the need to prepare a crane for unloading due to the oversized nature of this product. So, if you're in the market for a portable, durable, and versatile prefab home, be sure to check out the link in our description to get yours today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.